Here, welcome to Forex Banana Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market technically for the next week, that means Monday to Friday. And as you can see there is weekly time frame selected, and we are going to analyze the market for the next 5 days, that means Monday to Friday. Okay, as you can see there, market is on continual buy in weekly time frame, and last 2 weeks when Trump's win the election, market trying to go sell, and in this week market just cover all the drops, that means all the drops, and market is on strong bullish. If we get daily time frame, as you can see there, last 5 days candle, 1 2 3 4 5 days candle is on strong bullish, and last Friday market was trying to go more up, there is no rejection, and it just crossed this resistance area. So let's analyze the market, and if we especially try to make analyze on the market, if we want to try to draw support, resistance, or trend line, as you can see there, it just make a breakout on this area, and it also make a breakout, let me draw, and this resistance area. Okay, this resistance area. Okay, that means market is indicating, that means on technical analysis market is indicating buy, and our next resistance zone is around that area. Okay, and the higher resistance zone around that area. Okay, if we want to make a deeper analysis, we need to go H4 time frame, and as you can see there, there you go, market was around that area, that means market was trying to go up from that area, but it unable to go up, and it just trying to go down again. It touched this trend line and trying to go up, or again it just failed to go above, and it just down. And the history on this chart is 2 weeks after Trump win the election, and last week there is significant buy movement from that area to that area. Okay, so you may ask, Mr. Boom, what gonna be happen on the market, or what will be happen on the next movement? Okay, so as you can see there, market just make a breakout from that area, that means that zone, and it may go more up, or it may go down again to retest this area, and then if we get confirmation to long buy, then we can buy buy trade around that area. So our first TP should be around that area, second TP should be that area. Okay, TP2, this is TP1, and our SL should be around that area. Okay, so if we take entry around that area, our first TP here, second TP here, that means here is almost 1:2 risk reward ratio, or 1:3 risk reward ratio. In 4-hour daily and weekly time frame, market is indicating it's on buy trend. Okay, if we go buy trade, or if you want to take a buy entry, so you must have to wait for retracement, that means pullback, that means here, then pull back again, it will up. Okay, and if it unable to break this resistance area, it will go down again, or maybe it will go up till that area, that then we can decide the market movement. Okay, and one more thing to explain, that is currently Russia Ukraine war and Middle East war, these two things is controlling the market. There is 20% technical analysis and 80% is fundamental. Okay, that means for long run, so you must have to keep your concern on fundamental. We already uploaded a video about fundamental things, so you may check that out on our Telegram or YouTube channel also. So if you want to trade on market direction, that means if you want to trade on market direction or following trend, so what you need to do, you have to go smaller time frame if you want to scalp, especially like me. As you can see there, this is a channel on buy. Okay, so as market was, that means last week's market was started around that area with a fair value gap, and it just trying to go up and trying to create higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again go up. There is a lot of higher high and higher low. So if, as you can see there, market is on strong buy trend or bullish trend. So what you have to do, or what I did on that case, so I just focus on buy and in which area, as you can see that there is a simple trend line. We just try to go, when it crossed, go up and down. We just following that one, it just trying to go up again down. We just take a buy entry over here. We took few pips and again it just make us a breakout. Then again we create another trend line like that. If we go in a smaller time frame like M15, as you can see there, if we draw trend line over here, so we can take first, there is first breakout, we can take we can see this is second, and there is third. We can buy entry, take buy entry here, we can enter here, we can enter here, and again it just fly up. And in that case, in the particular area, let me make it more smaller. As you can see there, in that particular area there is another trend line. Okay, we're just following the trend is buy. We just as you can see there, it just make a breakout from here, and there is an entry, there is breakout. Okay, then if it go down and give us the pullback, then we can take a sell entry over here, or a small sell or a scalping sell. So this is the procedure to take entry on market. So firstly we have to follow fundamental thing, then technical thing. Okay, technical thing. Firstly we have to follow market direction. That means market on buy or sell. You have to consider or decide that. Then you have to go for technical analysis. You have to go for candle confirmation to take buy entry or sell entry. So this is the thing how we are trading on the market. So if you want to follow us, or if you want to get free signal or free entry, free market analysis, you may join our Telegram channel, public Telegram channel, link on the video description box. Our Telegram channel link is t.me/fxbillionaire hub. So that's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.